Hey friends, it's Amy Deb, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great night, guys. Who loves easy meals? This meal cannot be any easier. There are 4 primary ingredients and that's it. Guys, as you're jumping on, let me know where you're watching from. And if you love chicken teriyaki, in the comments you've got to say, love that teriyaki. Guys, share this video if the recipe sounds good before we even get started. I'm so excited to be home from work. And we're making something with 4 primary ingredients. We have ground chicken, or you can use chicken chunks or shredded chicken, up to you. I'm using ground chicken. This is a recipe Haley made, my daughter. So we're going to steal from her, and she told me I could. So we have 1 pound of ground chicken. And you can use more if you're feeding more people, but this is for me and Ricky, and he would probably want more. We've got G. Hughes low-carb teriyaki marinade. Guys, we're going to season the chicken with some teriyaki marinade. About 1/4 cup is really all you need. You can add more later. We're going to cook this chicken, and the other ingredient you need is broccoli. Guys, I cut up some broccoli in small pieces, put it on a baking sheet because my air fryer is dirty. I got to clean out my air fryer. I put it on a baking sheet on 400. We're going to cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes. We want them to be a little crunchy. We don't want them soft. So we want to have broccoli. Lost my Wi-Fi for a second. I'm so sorry, guys. I love to eat chicken teriyaki when we go to the Japanese restaurants. I love chicken teriyaki when we go to sushi restaurants. So, guys, we're making a chicken teriyaki dish. I'm just watching for those hearts to see if my volume just got screwed up on my phone. I don't see any hearts. Oh, no. Hey, Heather. How are you from Laguna Beach? Wow. Hey, Tracy. Do you guys see me? Oh, I see 1 heart. If you can see me, give me some hearts. I just need to make sure you guys can hear it. There we go. Thank you. Facebook Live is lagging. Dang. Now Ricky's on. Hang on. Hopefully that's the last interruption, guys. We're making a chicken teriyaki. Please forgive me for this crazy video. I wanted to show you a recipe that has 4 ingredients, y'all. We have ground chicken, or you can use chicken chunks. I'm using ground chicken because that's what Haley did, and this is Haley's recipe that she is allowing me to take and to share and to post. We are cooking this chicken in a little bit of G. Hughes low-carb teriyaki marinade. So it's low-carb. It's delicious. And we seasoned it with some pepper and a tiny bit of salt. You want to be really careful with this recipe. You don't want to over salt because the teriyaki has the salt in it. And we've got some soy sauce to pour over the top of our dish later. So we've got the chicken is cooking in the teriyaki. Now what we're doing in the base of our bowl, because this is a chicken teriyaki bowl, is we have some broccoli. So I cut some broccoli up in small little pieces, put it on 400 in the oven. Sorry, I couldn't answer. I put it on 400 in the oven, very small piece, a very small little bit of salt, don't over salt, and primarily pepper. So I coated that broccoli in some oil so it won't burn. So I just coated it in some avocado oil. Guys, it smells so good already. Ricky yesterday, because I had to come home from work early. Actually, I worked from home because my mom had surgery. Ricky said, well, you should have had dinner when I got home. I'm so hungry, I haven't had anything to eat. So today I had to leave work early to get to the county clerk's office. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to have this ready for Ricky. And then he calls me. So I'm sorry, Ricky. I was on a live video. All right, this chicken is almost done. It's got a great flavor. The only thing I didn't find at the store, guys, was sesame seeds. I love sesame seeds, and you don't have to have them for this recipe, but when you're making a chicken teriyaki bowl, like I would love to put some sesame seeds over the top. Guys, this is so simple. We're fixing to take that broccoli out of the oven. We're cooking it to a little fine crisp. I don't want it to be soft and mushy because it's going to be a teriyaki bowl. So I've got my broccoli cooking on 400 for about 10 minutes, which is really all you need. Pepper, tiny bit of salt, coated with oil. We're going to put our chicken that we have seasoned with teriyaki right here in this skillet on top of the broccoli. And then we're going to put a little dash of soy sauce in there. We're going to taste it to see if we want more teriyaki seasoning because you can add more. It's your bowl. And if you have some sesame seeds, I would recommend you throw some sesame seeds over the top. Guys, who loves chicken teriyaki? Like, I need to know that chicken teriyaki is something you guys love. I love chicken teriyaki. This is the jar. Someone asked me to share the jar. Let me see if it'll let me change. It used to let me like use this tool on Facebook Live to change but I don't know where it's at. They changed it again, y'all. They change stuff all the time. So it's G. Hughes teriyaki marinade. Here, I'll take my camera off the stand, that way y'all can see. Okay, let's see. G. Hughes sugar-free teriyaki marinade. And guys, all we're doing is seasoning our chicken with about 1/4 cup of the marinade. You can add more. The chicken is almost done. It don't take long at all for ground chicken to cook. You also can use chicken chunks. And then let me just show you this while I've got my camera off the stand. We've got our broccoli. Oh, there it goes. It messed up my camera. We got the broccoli in here. Oh man, it smells good. It's crisping up. It smells delicious. So what we're going to do is take that broccoli, put the chicken over the broccoli. You can add some more teriyaki seasoning if you want to. Splash of soy sauce for sure. And if you have sesame seeds, throw it over the top. And guys, you've got a delicious dinner chicken teriyaki bowl. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? So if this sounds good to you, give me some hearts. Share this video. Let's show other people how easy it is to cook low carb and really change your health and your diet. One dish at a time, one meal at a time is all it takes. Just one step. You got 2 feet, one step at a time. Making better choices, getting the carbs and the sugar out of your house so that you feel good, your body loves you more. And I mean, all of my dishes are fast, easy, delicious dinners that you can be in and out of the kitchen in 30 minutes. Yep, that's a Pac-Man machine. My children got that for Ricky for his birthday. Yes, Ricky will want more meat. Tina, you are so smart. You know this, don't you, Tina? I'm gonna let Ricky have the majority of the meat, and I'll have the majority of the broccoli, and that's perfectly fine with me. But you're right, he would rather have 2 pounds of chicken and instead of 1 pound, but I'm gonna share with him. All right, guys, y'all have a great night. If this sounds good again, give me some hearts, share this video, and I will see all of you guys later. This is a new recipe, so it's typed out in this post. When the live video stops, you can just go back to the page and see this recipe typed out. I will add it to the recipe blog later in the week. Gotta get my iPad charged up. So guys, y'all have a great night. And if I can help with anything, just let me know. Bye.